Are you looking for the best cable splicing knife? In this video, we will break down the top 4 best cable splicing knives on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Jonard KN7 Cable Splicing Knife. The Jonard cable splicing tool is a great option to cut any type of insulation on wires since it has a steel blade that is very sharp and is made to cut through all types of insulation that are various thicknesses. The handle of this splicing knife is made for a greater non-slippery easy grip of TRP, thermoplastic rubber, that is made to ensure that the user can be safe with the usage of the cable splicer knife. Nevertheless, handles will also ensure the hand does not fall into tiredness using the product, otherwise, this will cause a loss of control. The length of this blade is about 1 3/4 inches and the overall length of the product is 6 1/4 inches, which makes it easy to carry around safely. The price of this blade is very reasonable and it brings about great features for the price as well. At number 2. Klein 44200 Cable Splicer's Knife. The 44200 Cable Splicer's Knife is filled with features to make your job easier. The specially designed short blade helps in precisely cutting the insulation from wires with convenience. It is about a 3/4 inch coping type made of steel that holds the edge carefully. Furthermore, the short blade with a more comfortable handle allows better accuracy and reduced accidents at work. The handle is made to complement the usage of the blade. The pattern design is for comfort for the hand of the user and for a firm grip which eventually will reduce accidents. This cable splicer knife has a hole on the end of it for easy and safe storage and even for added portability. The overall length of the knife is an ideal 6 1/4 inches, which are easy to carry and easy to use. The weight of the splicer stands as light as 68 g, which makes it perfect for use. This Klein knife is an exceptional purchase even though it may be more expensive than other knives. The short blade is ideal for precision cuts and they help in reducing accidents at work. The eye of the knife helps in storing it and carrying it anywhere. At number 3. Jonard TK400 Splicer's Kit. The Jonard Splicer Kit is a kit with 3 pieces to help in cable splicing. Firstly, a short cable splicing knife that is very tough and made with a cutlery steel blade. The length of the blade is about 1 3/4 inches, which are ideal for precision cutting. Non-slip handle ensures the knife is not slipped out of the user's hands while working and causes any injuries to the skin. The second tool is a pair of splicer scissors. They are made with a high carbon steel material for durability. One side is a scraper along with a filer, while the other side has 2 stripping notches. The third piece in this kit is a leather pouch to help you fit it all together and carry it easily. The pouch can also be mounted on belts of up to 2 inches wide. The price of this kit is a little higher if you want to go for a solo splicer, but keeping in mind the 3 pieces, it is worth it and pretty reasonable. At number 4. Southwire Cable Splicing Kit. The Southwire Cable Splicing Kit is one of the best cable splicing kits because it is a 5-piece set that will help you through the process of splicing in various ways. Boot knife is used to remove cable jackets. The knife is made with a handle that is ergonomically designed to ensure that there is a steady grip and is not at all slippery for use. A spring-loaded pair of scissors is also a part of this kit. The scissors help in making precise cuts without much human effort and reduced fatigue. Another piece is a sharp-toothed blade gripping scissor, like a tool that helps in gripping the wire when it is cut. An LED pen light is a small and sharp light that helps in seeing the darkest and smallest of wires for precision cutting. The whole kit fits into a leather pouch that can easily be mounted to your belt as well. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.